The question is that we suspend the item on the standing order and go directly to public business. The question to the floor?
Mr. Speaker, yes, the speaker.
There's a question on the floor first. Those in favor? Those against? Ayes have it. Public business.
Mr. Speaker, Madam Speaker earlier made a very substantive statement, and I think it does require the kind of reflection that she has indicated. Madam, Mr. Speaker, a point of order.
Point of order. The Speaker makes a statement. Then none of us can respond to a ruling or statement. You don't. You are here long enough. You know better than that. Not because you're getting whole and cripplix. You know better than that. You. No. Mr. Speaker, the Speaker made a ruling, she spoke. None of us can respond to what the Speaker says. You find some other agenda item. Just say, Fitz, shut your mouth. You know you're talking nonsense. You know better than that. Mr. Speaker, that said, she made a statement. The member knows better than that. You can't respond to the Speaker's statement. There's another. You can find an item to respond, but you can't respond to a Speaker's statement. You cannot.